Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This bag is really simple and easy. It's a great beginner's project and you can turn this into any size you like. For this project, I use raffia yarn, which is a paper type of yarn, and it holds the shape really well, but of course, you can use any type of yarn of your choice. A 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, yarn needle, and stitch markers. You can find the links to the materials in the description box. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, make a slip knot. Insert the hook and make a chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And you want the base to be wider, you can make more chains. Start on the second chain from hook. 1, 2, this one. Place a single crochet, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Single crochet into the next chain. Again, single crochet into the next chain. And single crochet into every chain all the way across. This is the last chain, and I have a total of 8 stitches. To begin the next row, 1 chain, and turn. In the first stitch, that's this one, single crochet, single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet, and single crochet into every stitch all the way across. And make sure not to skip the last stitch. To begin the next row, 1 chain, and turn, single crochet into every stitch. Oops. This is the repeat of the last row. Keep repeating the last row for as many times as you like. I start when it measures just over 10 inches. From here, we're going to single crochet all the way around and back to here. On this side of the pattern, we have 8 stitches. In the last stitch, place another single crochet, and this is the first stitch for this side. Place a marker, so that's 1. 2, 3, 4. Basically, we're placing 1 single crochet per row. I have a total of 42 rows. Therefore, I will have 42 stitches. So single crochet all the way around, and I meet you right here. I started with 8 stitches plus 42 stitches, 8 stitches, and 42 stitches. Total 100 stitches. And I'll be working with 100 stitches for the rest of the pattern. slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain, in the same stitch, single crochet into every stitch for 3 or 4 rounds. I stopped after 3 rounds of single crochet because I was afraid I may not have enough of this color, but you can make more single crochet rounds if you like. Slip stitch to join, 1 chain, and cut yarn. To begin the next part of the pattern, insert new working yarn into the seam stitch, pull up a loop, 2 chains, 1, 2, in the seam stitch, place a double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Double crochet into the next stitch, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, and double crochet into every stitch. So this yarn doesn't work so well with the crochet ring. It's not the easiest to work with. Double crochet into every stitch all the way around, and I'll meet you on the next round. To begin the next round, slip stitch into the first stitch, that's this one, two chains, 1, 2, double crochet, and double crochet. As you can see, I'm struggling when working with this yarn. Double crochet into every stitch all the way around. To make it easier to work with, you can flip it from inside out. And continue with the double crochet rounds for as many times as you like. I stop when the bag measures at 11.5 inches. Join the round by slip stitch, 1 chain, and single crochet into every stitch for 5 rounds, or more if you like. After 5 rounds of single crochet, 3 rounds with the lighter color and 2 rounds with the darker color. On the final round, after the last stitch, cut yarn, with a yarn needle, insert into the first stitch, then insert into the back loop of the previous stitch. And this way, you'll get a nice finishing look. Then weave in the tail. For the handles, mark where you want them to be. From the purple to the green marker, That's 24 stitches, and also 24 stitches. Start on this side of the bag, remove the marker, insert the hook, insert the new working yarn, pull through, one chain, insert into the next stitch, pull through, then insert into the next stitch, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, remove the last 2 loops from the hook and hold it tightly with your fingers. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the hook. Then place the second loop back onto the hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and place the last loop back onto the hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop. 3 loops on the hook. Remove the last 2 loops. Make sure to hold them tightly. Yarn over, pull through. Place the second loop back onto the hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and place the last loop back onto the hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop. And again, remove the last 2 loops and hold onto them tightly. It might be a little bit tricky, but once you get a hang of it, it's quite easy. Trying to keep your stitches tight. Keep repeating this until it comes to the length that you want. My handle measures at 21 inches, and to attach it to the other marker, remove the marker and remove all the loops from the hook. Insert into the stitch or where the marker was. Place the loop back onto the hook, pull through, insert into the next stitch, place the second loop back onto the hook, pull through, insert into the next stitch, and place the last loop back onto the hook and pull through. 3 loops on the hook, pull through the last loop through the second loop, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1 chain. Cut yarn. Do the same with the other handle and weave in all the tails at the end. I hope you like your new bag as much as I like mine, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!